Welcome guys to this tutorial. Here I will be talking about how you can find your ID in the program called Telegram. So this works both for Windows, Mac, and as well for mobile version. So what you have to do is to find a bot, and I use user info bot. So you can search here user info bot. If you are unable to find them, you can try to use the @ as well. So find him, this person or this bot, and then what you have to type is /start, and then it will provide you with the username you have selected, the ID number, first name, last name, and the language that you have selected. So quite simple. I believe that most bots would be able to tell you that as well. So, but I do use this user info bot. So I hope that this was useful, a very quick tutorial, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next tutorial.